Dangerous and so much work. A home in Newton was crushed by a tree in the storm. WBZ's Katrina Kincade is there live for us. What's happening now, Katrina?
Yeah, we're just dealing with a lot here in Newton in just the last 30 minutes. I mean, the rain coming down so heavily all of a sudden has caused flooding here. But what you're talking about, there's that car that was partially, it looks like, crushed by this tree that's covering the road completely on Dedham Street here in Newton. You can see that it also pulled down some utility poles as well when that tree did come down. This street just before was just blocked off with just a police officer. Now they put up those cones ever since, as I mentioned, really in the past 30 minutes. The rain suddenly came pouring down, flooding out much of the entrance to this street here. Driving around Newton in general, when we were getting here, there were trees down everywhere, blocking various roads. We did see emergency officials out helping clear those areas and directing traffic as they are here in this intersection as well. As of 11 a.m., about an hour ago, the power had not been shut off, but we did see Verizon show up shortly afterwards here to work on that. So Newton police are on both ends here on Dedham Street directing traffic around this incident, but it just really has gotten progressively worse since we've been here, including the flooding as well as this tree that does have to eventually be cleared of this road for anybody to move down there. But police are on both ends making sure that people are able to get around it and redirecting traffic. In Newton, Katrina Kincade, WBZ News.
Katrina, thanks. Wind is so high in Boston, Logan Airport has been under a ground stop. The FAA has not been allowing any flights to land. At last check, 171 flights into and out of Boston Logan are canceled. Another 251 are delayed. Now, the biggest impact appears to be on local flights, with Cape Air seeing the most cancellations. The number of people without power continues to jump across Massachusetts. The latest numbers show more than 219,000 customers are without power. National Grid, more than 160,000. Eversource has about 58,000 outages, and Unitil has 700 customers without power.